In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add and import contacts to a Mailchimp audience. So first, of course, make sure that you prepare your contact list in a file format like CSV, TXT, or Excel. Then make sure each column has a clear header like email address, first name, or last name. And also remember the email column is required. Now log into your MailChimp account, then in the left menu, go to Audience. If you have multiple audiences, select the one where you want to import your contacts. Now from here, click on the Add Contacts button, then choose Import Contacts. Then next, select Upload a file, then press Continue. And now here, all you have to do is upload your CSV or Excel file. Then press Continue. Now select your current audience, and you also have an option here to update any existing contacts. Basically, they will automatically replace their information with the data from your import. Then press continue. Next, tag your contacts so you can here search for specific tags or create your own tag. Here are examples so you can use customer, staff, influencer, or member. Then press continue. MailChimp will then automatically detect your columns. Make sure that you review and map each column to the correct audience field, like matching email to email address and name to first name. Then press continue. This confirmation window might pop up for you, so all you have to do is press confirm. Lastly, you also have an option here to subscribe your contacts to marketing. And once done, click on Finalize Import. Now here's the summary of your import, and the last thing you may want to do is press Complete Import. If you see this, that only means that MailChimp has already added them to your audience list. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!